Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can increase or decrease the lecture speed or the reading speed of a video in Windows Media Player. To do that, open your Windows Media Player, make sure to locate your video and drag your video to the Windows Media Player. Make sure to click on pause or stop the video. We will bring back the indicator to the beginning of the video. The next step, click inside the video and check Enhancements option. Go to the Enhancement menu and click on Play Speed Settings. This little panel will appear, and here if you drag to the right you will be accelerating the speed, and you should see the acceleration speed to 1.4, 1.5 as you like. And if you bring it after the 1 to the left, then you will be decreasing speed or reducing the speed. You can always click on slow, normal, or even fast options to speed up or decrease or go back to normal. Once done, you can go ahead and click on the close button. Make sure to start your video from the beginning, and you will see that the speed has been increased or decreased as needed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.